Think your bonsai is safe this winter? These 5 common mistakes could be putting it at risk. Winter can be tough on bonsai trees, and if you're a beginner, small errors can lead to big problems. From overwatering to poor placement, these mistakes could harm your tree. But don't worry, in today's video, we're going to show you how to avoid these common pitfalls and keep your bonsai healthy all season long. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future bonsai tips and tricks. During winter, bonsai trees don't need as much water, but many beginners tend to overwater, which can lead to root rot. Always check the soil before watering. If the top layer is dry, water lightly. Dormant outdoor bonsai may only need watering every few weeks, depending on your climate. While some bonsai species can tolerate cold, sudden temperature drops or prolonged freezing can damage their roots and branches. Protect your bonsai with mulch, move it to a cold frame, or place it in a sheltered area. For delicate species, bring them indoors or store them in an unheated garage. Keeping indoor bonsai in dry, heated rooms. Indoor bonsai, like ficus, struggle in the dry air caused by heaters, which can lead to leaf drop and browning. Use a humidity tray or mist your tree daily to maintain moisture. Keep your bonsai away from direct heat sources like radiators or vents to keep the air around it balanced. With shorter days, your bonsai may not be getting enough light, which can weaken it over time. For indoor bonsai, place them near a bright south-facing window or use a grow light. Outdoor trees should still get plenty of sunlight, even in the winter months. Winter doesn't mean pests disappear. Spider mites, scale insects, and fungal infections can still harm your bonsai, especially indoors. Regularly check for pests or disease by inspecting leaves for discoloration or webbing. Treat with horticultural oil or neem oil to keep your bonsai healthy. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, you'll help your bonsai not only survive winter, but come back stronger in the spring. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and let us know which mistake surprised you the most in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new bonsai care tip. Until next time, happy growing!